dancing in the kitchen.
Hey guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
We're back for more here on Dancing in the Kitchen with our 4th of July theme. And Liz, I know you're a vegetarian, right?
I know. This is like my dream right here.
So we wanted to make sure that we included some vegetarian and vegan-friendly recipes for our barbecue feast. So what are we making here, Liz?
We're making black bean burgers with a whole bunch of veggies. As you can see, it's a lot of ingredients for a very complicated lady, so here we go.
And this is super fun. I feel like a lot of people have more downtime on the holidays to do more cooking.
Yeah.
But if you want to make life easy, we both really love Dr. Prager's veggie burgers.
Thank you.
So if you want to just grab something and pull it out of the freezer, that's definitely also an option.
Cool
I always go
bias.
for the California burger.
So do I, which I love.
So
And there's
good.
a risotto one, mushroom risotto one, that's really good too.
Yeah, and I think they have like a kale or kind of like super greens one.
Oh yeah, I've had that one too. It's really good. But today we're gonna make our own because that's what we do.
That's right. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about the ingredients in here, and our featured ingredient today is the mushrooms. And Penn State has done research on this. They had a sample size of 24,000 people, which is pretty big, over a span of about 10 years, and they were following, what these people were doing for dietary practices. And their research showed that people who eat mushrooms consistently tend to have lower rates of depression.
Yes.
Yeah, Liz likes that because she
I
eats
eat mushrooms all the time.
I do too. They're really good. So the mushrooms we're featuring today are specifically shiitake mushrooms and oyster mushrooms, and that is because they are particularly high in a compound called ergothioneine. And ergothioneine, is an antioxidant, and it helps with cell and tissue death, preventing that. And as we know, antioxidants are helpful for preventing and protecting against mental illnesses, including schizophrenia, bipolar, etc. So another thing related to mushrooms that's really interesting, but not these specific mushrooms, is that magic mushrooms, specifically the compound psilocybin, is being studied a lot right now for the treatment of trauma and for its therapeutic use.
PTSD. Yeah, I watched the whole documentary on that recently, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so it's a really big shift just in society and culture right now with psychedelics like psilocybin and then certainly others like MDMA and ketamine really kind of being in the spotlight in terms of what they can do for depression.
Awesome.
So one other ingredient I wanted to point out today is our quinoa. And the reason I wanted to point that out is because you could use oats or you could use rice in veggie burgers to kind of bulk them up. But what I specifically love about quinoa is that it has a lot of protein. So it's a really good choice because it doesn't kind of weigh the veggie burgers down as much and obviously adds protein to the meal.
Perfect.
All right.
I need all the protein I can get.
Yeah, we all do. And specifically, we need more protein as we age.
Great.
And if we're going through stressful times or we're ill and we're recovering, like protein is so important for tissue building. So
Perfect.
yeah, this has it all.
Yeah.
All right, let's get
cooking.
You've got more freedom-themed music for us?
I sure do. This one is my first single with my band Paint the Muse, and it's called Free People for 4th of July.
Oh my gosh, I love this one.
Right? We hope you like it too.
All right, we are ready to make our vegetarian veggie burgers.
Excited.
Very excited.
Look at all this beautiful ingredients.
Now, this is a lot of work, admittedly.
It is.
It's worth it.
It is.
But it's a lot of work. So if you do want to take a shortcut route, again, we do recommend Dr. Prager's veggie burgers. They're very good too.
Forget about it. We're making our own.
That's right. Today we're making our own. So the first step,
Yes.
we are going to food process our veggies. And what we're doing here is we want to dry out the veggies because if there's too much moisture in the veggie burgers, then they're not very good. They fall apart.
Okay.
So the way we do that is we're going to food process the veggies and then we're going to roast them in the oven to dry out some of the moisture. And then last but not least, we need some of our amazing Primal Kitchen avocado oil.
Ooh, here it is. Liquid gold over there.
All right, and we're just gonna go ahead and do the honors.
Please.
Some noise, fashion, dirty, not pretty, and poised. You can call us renegades, but it's some change. If you don't like it, look the other way. I can't be what you want me to. It's my choice, ain't no excuse. We are the only.
While it's cooking in the oven, you're also gonna take it out a couple times periodically and just kind of mix it around again to make sure that the edges don't get cooked more than the center.
We are free, free, free.
Okay, and we're gonna roast these as well until they're a little dried out and they kind of start to split open.
Okay.
So these are gonna go in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and the veggie mixture that we just did is gonna be in there for about 30 minutes, as I mentioned, stirring. So let's get to it.
Steady talking to myself, be true. This is the kind of life I choose. My people, free people.
All right, and we're just gonna pulse it. We want it to be like the texture of breadcrumbs. We don't want to overdo it.
Okay.
So let's give it a few little pulses. We can always add more breadcrumbs if it's seeming too wet. All right, do you want to do the honors this time?
No, I'm gonna dance.
All right. I feel the heat sizzling like summer from our nice little grill here.
I'm doing it. I'm going in.
Do it.
Go for the gold.
I'm so excited. Me too. So
They're all
excited.
done.
Are you going to use bun? No bun.
I'm gonna go for it. It's a holiday. All right, give me a memento because I need to dress. I need to dress it up. You know what I mean? This is. I'm surprised there's any left because I was, slathering it on me earlier. Because this is just how I do it. All right, that's a lot of mayonnaise for me. But we're gonna just
Make it
we're
work.
just gonna put it right back. Put it right back on in there. We don't waste.
That looks so good.
Do you want a bite?
I am gonna actually make
You
a
make your own?
veggie wrap. Yeah. What do you think of those veggie burgers?
So good, amazing. I love them so much. Thank you for including me in these recipes because those were delicious.
Yeah, super savory, really yummy, and so many healthy nutrients.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so good.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed them as well. Let us know in the comments below, and also please like and subscribe.
As always, and if you would like, buy us a coffee below. It helps to keep our entire show going. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.
Buy our merch. Bye.